Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher water supply tube. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water supply tube. The water supply tube supplies water to the spray arms. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, you can lift it off and set it aside. Now we can pull out the rails for the upper rack so we can take off the end caps. To get these end caps off, we're going to come from the back side with a small flathead screwdriver and press on the locking tab. Once you have it pressed, you can lift up on the end cap and pull it off the rail. The one on this side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, you can pull the upper dish rack out, set it aside. Once you have it off, you can push the rails back in so they're out of the way. Now that we have the racks out, we have access to the water supply tube. It runs up the back wall of the dishwasher. First, we're going to reach in and take off the Pro Scrub manifold. All you have to do is unsnap it from the water supply tube and then pull the base out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Now we can reach in and release the upper clips on the water supply tube. All you have to do is press these by hand and kind of pull down on the water supply tube. Once you have them free, you can just let it go and we can release the center clips. Once you have the clips released, we're going to hold the tube down while we pull the water supply tube off. Once you have it released, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old water supply tube next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water supply tube in, all you have to do is set it into place and push it down into the fitting. Once you have it pushed into place, you can snap the center and the upper brackets into place. Now that we have the new water supply tube snapped in, we can put the Pro Scrub manifold on. All you have to do is set it into place and then snap it onto the water supply tube. We're going to put the upper rack in first, so we're going to pull the rails out a little bit. Once you have the rails out, you can line up the wheels. Once you have the rack on the rails, you can push it in a little bit, but pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, all you have to do is line them up with the rails and snap them on. Once you have the end caps on, we can push up a rack all the way in, and we can put the lower rack in. All you have to do is set it on the door and push it in. Once you have it all the way in, we can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.